Question: are we in the middle of a bear market or a market correction? Well, what does a market correction even mean? Well, the crypto market has been declining this year, with the biggest digital asset, Bitcoin, falling below the $20,000 mark for the first time in a while. Other cryptocurrencies have been struggling just as much or more. So yes, we are in the middle of a bear market. A different phenomenon though from a market correction. In this video, we're going to find out the difference between the two. Let's begin by checking out an example. Okay, so let's assume asset X is in great demand and has a lot of investors buying into it. However, it gets to a point of exhaustion when a majority of buyers have already bought into the asset and there are no more new buyers to support the uptrend. So prices start to fall. This is what we call a correction. Now, while there isn't a hard-coded rule figure-wise, in traditional finance, a correction is generally categorized by a gradual decline, where prices drop more than 10%, but less than 20% over the course of several days or weeks before prices recover again. This works the same with crypto, though a typical correction with crypto can be much larger. So in the case of asset X and many other assets in crypto, a correction often happens when the economy of the asset is expanding. This may be a result of investors becoming overconfident, leading them to overbuy the asset and push the prices too high, which sets the stage for a correction to bring the price level back down. Now, other triggers of market corrections include things like FOMO, which is when investors try to catch rising price trends only for a market correction to come later and shake off this unsustainable growth. Now, there are also various other triggers such as market sell-offs, hacks, regulations, and more. Okay, so then let's briefly dive into what a bear market is. Is it any different from a correction? Well, short answer, yes. Unlike market corrections, bear markets are categorized by prolonged periods of falling prices and distinctly widespread negative market sentiment. In traditional finance, a fall of 20% or more is typically considered bear market territory. However, again, in crypto, the figure is typically higher. But like we've stated, this figure is not set in stone and can vary depending on market conditions. Now, another big difference between the two is that bear markets usually occur when there is an economic recession or a market crash, compared to corrections, which happen when the economy is growing. Okay, so then what about the time frame of each? While time may not be a defining factor for market corrections and bear markets, they still tend to have different time frames due to the differences in decline. As you might have guessed, market corrections generally have shorter durations as the decline is smaller. On the other hand, bear markets can last for many months or sometimes even years. I mean, remember the very first crypto winter that lasted from November 2013 to January 2015. Over those 14 months, Bitcoin declined over 80%, and the next crypto winter in 2017 was even longer. Okay, then frequency-wise, market corrections tend to occur more frequently than bear markets. In fact, there may be several market corrections within a bull market before the market takes a more substantial downturn into a longer-lasting bear market. So naturally, because of its more severe declines, a bear market typically takes longer than a market correction to recover to its previous high. So as you can tell now, bear markets and market corrections, they're a normal part of the investing process, and there's no need to panic when they happen. Understanding the difference between a market correction and a bear market can help you better assess market trends so that you can make better investment decisions. Okay, now that you have a better understanding of the two, we have the perfect video for you. Click right here to find out the common mistakes that other investors or even you make during a crypto bear market.